So if you're like me and you never cut circles out and you run into that one instance when you're building something and you need a super precise circle cutout, here's how you can make a quick jig. Use this piece of off-cut 1/8" hardboard, your router base. You're just going to go ahead and take the base plate off. Then you're going to take this piece, lay it down right here, and you're going to mark the circles. Go ahead and mark the centers. Drill out those holes. And then countersink those holes. And then go ahead and mount this sucker back up to your router. Now you're going to plug this router in and we're going to plunge the hole right in the middle. And now we can mark the radius of our circle, just lining up to the center and then scoring right here. And that's where we're going to drill our hole for our pin. So in order to use this jig, I'll just drive a small screw through the back side, and we'll line up that screw with the center hole on our project piece. And we'll be able to rotate this around while plunging the router down 1/4 inch at a time. So about 3 passes and we should be cut our circle out. Well, there you go, guys. We got a perfectly cut out circle with very nice edges. And I will say that installed on the router, I have a 1/4 inch spiral upcut bit. It is brand new and very sharp because I just cut myself when I was touching it. But I think the main thing that's going to cause you to have these super clean edges is the fact that this base plate acts as a zero clearance. When we do that initial plunge in there, there's no other room except for the bit. Now that could be a bad thing for chip extraction or dust removal, but as it is, it gave me a very nice result. So again, guys, this is very easy to build. This is 1/8" hardboard. You can use whatever thickness material you want as long as your bit's going to be able to get through to the other side. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.